Alright, hey guys, how's it going? Today is another really busy day. I'm going out to lunch with my grandparents. I'm supposed to help them set up something with a security camera. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. And I am probably going out for coffee with my friend Connor before work at 5. And I wanted to write scripts, but that might not be happening. So, and I'm trying to vlog on my little old Nikon point and shoot just because it's so much smaller, so we'll see how that works. Alright, I just inserted the SD card from the point and shoot into my computer, and the microphone is really bad. So, back to the DSLR. It's so big though. Look at how messy everything is. Better, right? Still gonna need to vacuum later. Everything gets really messy when I make tech culture videos because I kind of just ignore everything for a couple days. my grandparents are here now. Am I in the zone? My editing zone? No, I'm not.
Bitter that you moved down the basement?
Oh yeah, he doesn't like that I moved down in the basement. Ooh, that was... The whip. We're now going into Subway, and I don't really feel like vlogging in there because, you know, people stare, so whatever. Done eating at Subway, going back to work on, what is this, a security camera thing? Yeah. Okay. Not much to say on camera, I guess.
Probably
I got
not.
stung by a bee.
She got stung by a bee, apparently. I think she's lying. Back to my house. Back home. I'm gonna work on this security camera thing with Grandpa. So that'll be fun. He's about to freak out when I let her out. Go on, Tori.
Oh man, there she goes. You can't get away from Tori's on the loose.
Right, yeah. Security camera time. Whatever that is. I don't know. I'll probably be able to figure it out. Because it gets pretty hot.
You'd set inside your computer case.
Okay, so that, yeah.
Turn it on and it'll keep track of the temperature for up to half a year.
Oh, alright, yeah.
And so it'll plot it out.
Well, hopefully
up and down.
I'm not going to have temperature issues with Mr. Computer over there.
Yeah, right. Well,
That would be really bad.
Yeah, this would be great for that.
Since that's the whole reason I'm starting to hate this laptop right here. It's just temperature issues.
Yeah. Okay.
Took it apart and cleaned it out, but it's still pretty hot. So a little bit of context as to what's going on. He was just showing me how to kind of read the temperature on my OnePlus 2 to make sure that the temperature's alright, because I heard there were some problems with overheating on the Snapdragon 810. But now I'm helping him with the, where is it? Oh, here it is. With this security camera, which I should probably get one for here. Because just everything. Yeah. But, yeah, so I'm helping him with a security camera right now.
This is the way, and that's where your router comes in.
Oh, so it does connect through Ethernet. All right.
Yeah. So I got a cable here.
What?
But see, on my cell phone.
I'm having some issues with the camera, but I think we're getting it to work now. So I finally got the live view to come up on the computer. So hopefully it's gonna work. Alright, so wow, that took a lot longer than I had planned to fix it, to get that security camera working, but it's working now. As you can see, he left it in my care to make sure it's working, so I might do a tech video on that. But, wow, that took a while. So now, it's 4:10, 4:10, and I didn't get a chance to go out for coffee with my friend Connor, so we'll have to do that another day. Sorry, Connor. I'll have to call him here really soon, tell him. But now, I work at 5, about to get all dressed up and everything. Good day, though. Vlog is over? Probably over. Maybe. Peace.